In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to paper mache your letter. The paper mache paste we're using is an Elmer's Art paste. I make this by mixing the powder that comes in the box with water. You'll also need newspaper. The paper mache paste has been dished out into different containers, and the newspaper you will have to tear into strips. You can try tearing the newspaper from both directions. You might find that it tears more straight from one direction based on the fibers of the newspaper. You want your strips to be about 1 inch wide, and for length, I would say just approximately 4 to 6 inches is probably good. Once you have a nice pile of strips ready, then you can begin to paper mache. You want to remove any jewelry from fingers. If you have any rings or any bracelets on, you may want to take those off. Then you're going to dip your fingers into the paste and apply that to the strip by just kind of squeezing the paste onto the entire strip. Then smooth the strip around the edges first of your letter. You're going to continue this process, and each time you're going to layer the new strip of newspaper over a bit of the strip you had previously placed down. So you're going to always, again, want to work one strip next to one you've already placed down. Alternate the direction of the strips, kind of forming X's, so to speak. You can see how that can help hold down the pieces of newspaper. Always smooth down the strips as you go. Sometimes the paper will actually fold, and that's okay. You just want to have it be against the letter as much as possible and really bend around the corners. You're going to need to cover the entire letter with paper mache newspaper strips. You're actually going to want to cover the entire letter approximately 2 times. 2 layers of strips is highly recommended to make sure everything stays down and it is nice and sturdy. Apply a temporary name label when we're ready to clean up. This is so that you know which belongs to you. And to clean up, you're going to close your container, and you're just going to take a dry paper towel and wipe the table with that dry towel. Wipe up all of the moisture and then throw away your trash. I hope you enjoy paper macheing your sculptural letter.